Hi, Dr. Caps, and happy Friday. Today we're going to do an experiment, and hopefully we will end up with the combustion of a noodle to make a noodle rocket. The idea behind this is we have hydrogen peroxide represented right here. It looks like the formula for water, except it's totally not. It has 2 oxygens and 2 hydrogens instead of just 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogens. And the per in peroxide has to do with being full. We know that as a kind of a prefix in chemistry. So it has extra oxygen because it's peroxide. And then we have our little yeast fellow here. Yeast is a single-celled fungus, and it will provide enzymic catalyzation of the reaction so that oxygen will be produced, and the noodle is going to be our carbohydrate fuel for this combustion reaction. The goal is to be able to light the noodle and let the oxygen produced from the hydrogen peroxide and yeast to be what will cause the noodle to burn. So we're going to try to put it on top of this bottle. The original called for a jar. However, I did see a version that used a bottle, so I'm going to try it. H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, and I don't know exact quantities, but I'm guessing we'll be close enough. So that's less than a teaspoon. It's probably about 3/4 of a teaspoon of yeast. Boy. Reminds me. That's why I have the pan. Can we light the noodle? That's the question. It's working! We have combustion happening. So the reaction in here with the enzymic activity of the yeast and the hydrogen peroxide, it's bubbling up, and one of the byproducts is pure O2, oxygen. And our noodle is burning very fast because combustion takes a lot of oxygen, and so the combustion happening is very happy in the presence of the oxygen. That is awesome! I wasn't sure if it was going to work on the bottle, but it sure does. Ooh, listen to that. Right through the top. Whoa, and it just drowned in the yeast. Check that hole out. It burned the lid too. Whoa, that was exciting. Well, anyway, this is a little shorter than normal, but there you have it. Here was our reaction. We had carbohydrate fuel in our noodle, our single-celled fungus yeast fellow, and providing some sort of enzymic catalyst. I wasn't able to find out exactly what that looked like. I would really like to know, actually. Maybe my microbiology book can help me out. And then we had our O2 providing what we needed for combustion. Very awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day.